This flatbread has 40 grams of proteins and 15 grams of fiber, and there's no flour, no eggs, and no protein powder in it. None. I know it looks like it came from a bakery, but it's really just cottage cheese and 3 things you already have. And by the end of this video, you will roll into the most satisfying high protein wrap you have ever had all week. Let me show you. Let's start with the base. Add your oats to the blender and blitz them into a fine powder. This is our flour replacement. Now straight into the same blender, add the psyllium husk, salt, cottage cheese and water. The psyllium husk is the secret here. It's what holds everything together and gives you that 15 grams of fiber. Blend it all up until you get a smooth thick paste. Look at that texture. This is what you're looking for. Pour that onto a lined tray and spread it into an even rectangle. Now listen, this is the one place people go wrong. Don't spread it too thin or the edges burn before the middle cooks. You want it like a sturdy pancake, not a lace curtain, even and set. Quick think before it goes in. If a flatbread with 40 grams of protein is something you would actually eat, hit subscribe. I post a new high protein recipe every single week and I would hate for you to miss the next one. Okay, into the oven. Bake this in a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit, that's 180 degrees Celsius, for 25 to 30 minutes until the edges turn golden brown. Every oven is little different, so watch the edges, not just the clock. And here's a pro tip. If the bottom still feels soft when you check it, just flip the whole thing over and give it another 10 minutes. That fixes every time. Once it is done, pull it out, and this part matters. Let it cool for full 10 minutes. Now the fun part. Add whatever toppings you love and roll it. If you think it is too thick, you can add a tablespoon of water, but do not add too much of water because you don't want a soggy base, you want a firm base. On repeat. First spread on some cheese, and hey, just play around with this. It does not have to look exactly like mine. Then a good spread of Schezwan sauce across the top for the little kick of heat. Next, layer on the paneer. This is where we push the protein even higher, up towards that 40 grams. Then scatter your sliced onions, add your favorite seasonings, a little something green for freshness. And now carefully roll it up nice and tight into a wrap. Look at that cross section. That's real food. And that is your no flour cottage cheese flatbread, 40 grams of protein and 15 grams of fiber. No eggs, no powder, no compromise. If you make this, take a picture and tag me on Instagram. It genuinely makes my day. The full written recipe is in the description below, and if this earned it, subscribe and hit the bell. I have got a whole lineup of high protein recipes coming and you are not going to want to miss them. I'll see you in the next one.